Want to protect your private apps on your Samsung phone without installing any additional application? In this video, I'll show you a simple built-in method that can help keep your apps and personal information more secure. You won't need to download a third-party app or use complicated settings. Just follow the steps shown in the video, and you'll see where to find the security options on your Samsung phone. This can be especially useful if you share your phone with someone else and want to prevent access to certain apps, photos, messages, or other personal information. Watch until the end, because I'll also show you an important setting that you should check after enabling app protection.